Scott Wesson is here joining us from Warren and Griffin. Scott, good to see you, my brother. We are here talking about Social Security disability benefits, especially as those benefits pertain to the homeless. And a lot of times people think if you're homeless, you're not entitled to that, or sometimes the homeless people won't do what it takes to get the benefits that they have worked for and they deserve.
That's right.
Where do you get started on that?
Well, it's tough because the very nature of our homeless community or homeless population is they're very transient.
Sure.
And it's hard to keep track of them.
Right.
And that becomes the issue. You know, we as attorney and staff, we have to try to keep up with these people that are our clients.
Right.
And it's a challenge, but it's one we like to do because it's a game changer for these people. It's a life changer. If you can take someone off the street, put them under their deserved benefits, it can change their lives. So it's something we try to do, but it's a challenge.
Pick a story without naming any names and give us the boiled down version when you knew this was a road that you guys needed to be on.
Yeah, you had a fellow just a few months ago and went to court twice without him.
Right.
I could not find him. And the very good, very benevolent Social Security judge told me, look, this fellow qualifies, Mr. Wesson, find him, find him. And I took it upon myself, and sure enough, I found him. I tracked down his brother, I tracked down him, and I got him, and I drug him back in there, kicking and screaming, and got him a checking account, and got him set up for his benefits, and I realized, you know, that makes a difference. Let's go help that guy.
It does make a difference.
Yeah, I mean, it does. And then we're not, you know, we're trying to be, you know, the homeless lawyers for the, you know, for everybody, and you know, but we want, this is part of our community. We don't want to just let these people just flounder out there.
What can we as citizens do to maybe help out folks who are a little bit, or in some cases a lot less fortunate than we are?
Yeah, well, the thing is, people like the community kitchen. Okay, that's we're going to have a little meet and greet on July 18, I think that's correct, at 1 o'clock. And a couple of us are going to be out there giving out pamphlets, talking to these people, trying to direct them to the right places to get their benefits started, to see if they qualify. And just because someone is homeless doesn't mean they're going to qualify for benefits. There's a standard. You have to meet the standard, but sometimes they do. And we're going to get them pointed in the right direction, and that's what I'd say, you know, support places like that, the community kitchen, places like that. They'd be glad to have your time.
It can be a scary, scary thing to try to navigate Social Security. It doesn't matter whatever your status in life is, your income, your education level, because you're up against this big, huge thing called the federal government. And sometimes you got to know how to get in that door the right way.
It's very slow. It's a slow process, can be.
It certainly is. But that's what you guys have done for years. You have helped our community one citizen at a time. You were instrumental in the hands-free law that just went into effect here. So you guys at Warren and Griffin are kicking it.
We're doing it. We're trying our best.
You are kicking it, no doubt about it. If folks would like to consult with you about Social Security or any other sort of disability benefits, how do they get in touch with you?
Of course, we're 265-4878. That's area code 423. I'd be glad you just give us a call. Of course, we're online, warrenandgriffin.com.
Right.
And we'd be glad to talk to you about it.
Sounds like a winner. Scott Wesson, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks a lot.
There's the website on your screen, warrenandgriffin.com, warrenandgriffin.com. And you can always call them, and they are online. Phone numbers 265-4878.